So we are going to see some more collective nouns. By learning collective nouns, in future we can do grammar exercises better. So let us see what are all the collective nouns. So we have a tube of toothpaste. So we call it a tube of toothpaste. So I use the collective noun tube. The next I have is a piece of advice. So somebody gives us an advice, we say a piece of advice. It does not mean a small piece, but it is some advice that is given. A piece of advice. A gallon of petrol. So if we have these lorries carrying petrol, we call them a gallon of petrol. So it is known as a gallon of petrol. A kilo of sugar. So when we buy sugar, we ask for a kilo of sugar. So we use the collective noun kilo. A bunch of grapes. So grapes together, the collective noun is a bunch of grapes. So we say a bunch of grapes. A box of cereal. So we buy oats, we buy muesli. So these are all cereals and we call them a box of cereal. So it is known as, the collective noun is a box of cereal. A bowl of soup. So I am drinking a bowl of soup. A bar of soap. So we say either a bar of soap or a bar of chocolate. So we have it as, the collective noun is a bar of soap. So the collective nouns used are a tube of toothpaste. So the collective noun is tube. A piece of advice. So the collective noun used is piece. A gallon of petrol. So gallon is again a collective noun. A kilo of sugar. So the collective noun is kilo. A bunch of grapes. So bunch is the collective noun for grapes. A box of cereal. Box. A bowl of soup. So bowl. A bar of soap. Bar. So the words tube, piece, gallon, kilo, bunch, box, bowl, bar are the collective nouns used. So let us see some more examples of collective nouns. A band of musicians. So many musicians together are called as a band of musicians. A brood of chicks. So small chicks together, the collective noun used is brood. A brood of chicks. A flight of steps. So we climb a flight of steps. So it is known as a flight. So the collective noun used is flight. A litter of puppies. So many puppies together is called as a litter of puppies. A regiment of soldiers. So many soldiers together in an army is known as a regiment of soldiers. So it is known as a regiment of soldiers. A set of tools. So different sizes of tools together, the collective noun is set. A set of tools. A string of pearls. So we wear pearl chains or bracelets made of pearls. So it is called as a string of pearls. So the collective noun string. A string of pearls. And a troop of dancers. So many dancers in a group are called as a troop of dancers. So the following, a band of musicians. So band is a collective noun. A brood of chicks, again brood. A flight of steps, flight. A litter of puppies, so the litter. A regiment of soldiers. Regiment is a collective noun for soldiers. A set of tools, set. A string of pearls. A troop of dancers. So band, brood, flight, litter, regiment, set, string, troop. So these are the examples of collective nouns that we come across every day.